Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download Fiddler application and installation, primary use cases. Let's begin. This is one of my favorite tool. This can be downloaded from directly Fiddler website. You can go to Google and type download Fiddler. You will see Telerik.com. That's the official website for Fiddler. If you navigate to the site homepage itself, you see you can download the Fiddler executable file. So I'm downloading this for web debugging, and I'm from India, and choosing accepting the terms and conditions, downloading the Fiddler application. This would begin the installation. This would begin the executable file get downloaded into your machine. Then if you are the administrator, you can run this application as admin. This application won't take much time. You can install in a while. If in case if you are downloading and installing on your corporate laptop, then that might be you might face challenge with installation because you might not have admin privilege. In that case, you need to reach out to your administrator. So the primary use case Fiddler in this world, like debugging and networking world, there are a lot of use cases Fiddler can be used. In each and every browser, we have browser developer tools to debug web applications. But when you troubleshoot applications, example Outlook, you want to find out what are the redirects Outlook is connecting, or if you have a software kind of small software application running on your machine, you like to debug what is the request and the server response, then Fiddler would help. So I have installed my Fiddler, and it's completed. Then let me start opening the Fiddler. So as soon as you open, you can see it started, capturing the logs in the background. Okay, you can see, it started working, and it already captured some Bing and some other, network redirect. So as soon as you install Fiddler, you go to Tools and Options. So here, the primary configuration, in case you are debugging a website which is using SSL, the session is encrypted by TLS, then you need to decrypt the traffic to understand the flow. So the flow is like Fiddler sits in between your application and actual destination server. The flow like your application, Fiddler, then the actual web server. So to do man in the middle decryption, so decrypt HTTPS needs to be selected, and followed by the pop-up would come. This pop-up would tell you Fiddler is going to install a root certificate to do the man in the middle decryption. Do you like to accept the root certificate or not? Yes, I'm accepting the certificate, else you know um, else I will not able to achieve SSL decryption. So now I have added. So after added, you can see the site started popping up here. Let me try google.com. If you look at the logs, you can see lot of capture, backend it happening with Google, and Google redirects the page. You can see all HTTPS and the respective web server response. You can see, you can pick any of the domain request. Let's pick google.com. Let's pick this google.com. You can see the header details and response. So the header and response and the additional info in X forwarder kind of info. So while troubleshooting, this would help handy what server response you have got, what is the header information being sent to that actual destination web server. So you can save these logs and send to further analysis in case you like to um, debug more with other team or respective application owner. So this would help in terms of troubleshooting and validating your application performance, etc. So many situation it would help. Also, you can load Fiddler logs. If someone sent you Fiddler logs, you can load from the load archive option. Then you can read it through this console by looking at the redirects and more details. Hope this would help you. Thanks for watching.